everybody, welcome back to the channel, back with another video. It's gonna be a quick video, just another spoiler install. The reason I'm changing the spoiler out that's on this car right here is, as you see here, it does not stick well. It's like coming up. And the spoiler that I did want is the one that I should have gotten in the first place, but I thought it would look ugly on the car. It's the same little Camry spoiler, it's the same thing. But I'm gonna get that installed on here just because, once again, this is peeling up. Like, look at the corner, look at that. So I'm not sure if it's just adhesive. I did buy different adhesive and put it on here, and it's still doing the same thing. So yeah, I mean, it's moving. Even on this side, coming right up. I don't really have time to deal with that. So if someone does want this, it's still in really great condition. I had it on the car for like 6 months. It's in good condition, as you see. If you do want it, I'll probably give it to you for like 10 bucks or whatever it might be, but I do not need this. So we finna pull this up and get the new one installed. So having this long box right here. Pull it out. Pretty simple, you just need a drill and all that good stuff. But like this. And the kit does come with screws and stuff, so it's everything, just like 4 pieces to it. You got the bag of screws, and it has some other pieces in there as well. And then the pieces of the wing. But other than that, we're gonna get this installed. This is gonna be a pretty quick install, as long as you got a drill, power drill. That's all you really need. It should be fairly quick. All right, y'all, so it really didn't come with the best instructions. Really, there is no instructions, so you kind of got to figure it out. The yellow screws or the gold screws are the smaller screws, and those are what I'm using right here. But you can kind of figure it out. It's not hard. It's only like 2 sets of screws, so it's fairly simple. The longer screws go to the outer ends to attach the pieces of the wing. But other than that, I'm gonna show y'all here a clip here in a moment or two. All right, so I thought I recorded it, but here's just an example. I drilled a hole. I'm finna show y'all. Do this at your own risk. This is an easy fix if I had to pull the spoiler off. But get a extra screw if you have it. Get your drill bit. Get your drill a hole where I'm showing you right here to secure it properly. Do not trust the adhesive. Looks nice. It still comes up. It's not heavy or anything, so it still comes up perfectly fine. Had to drill some holes right here to kind of keep it straight. So I checked for water leakage as well, and it's good to go as well. But other than that, this does not. I expected to drill an actual hole and like mount this down, but if you pull up under here, which I think I don't show in the video, but it only has space for where these pieces are at. So it only has space for this and this to like drill a hole. So you can drill some extra holes or whatever, but this actually staying still is just, they use glue. I thought there was, like I said, I thought they was gonna send the actual full like kit and drill it. I did my charger. Remember doing my charger wing, obviously it came with a holes to drill and stuff like that, but this just has this is just straight adhesive. I really don't trust adhesive, so that's why I drilled it in a little bit. So if I have any issues, shit, I'll let y'all know, but this is a nice install in my opinion. Gloss black spoiler, got it for like I got it for like $60, $70, $65 on eBay. This is not the official TRD, but it's like the China version of it. But it still is exactly the same. I think this sticks out a certain way on that real TRD, like it flats out a little bit more, but it's good enough for me. So other than that, man, it's gonna make it a wrap for the video. It's Brother Man Pie for them out. Peace.